G'day mates. If you struggle breathing through your nose, you might like to try a nasal dilator. This one here is called Mute. That's a good one. And I've been trying this one out as well, called Hale. Now, Hale's a great product, but I found the instructions rather shit. So today I'll show you how to insert it. Uncle Nico's trustworthy instructions. This is what it looks like. I'll open it up and show you. It's got a nice little beauty mirror there so you can put on your mascara and your lippy. It does come with some little tools, but I don't use the tools. I found them tricky to use. You flip it up. These are the dilators. You got large, medium, and small. This is a starter pack, and I use this one here, the small one. So I'll pull it out and show you. Now, I'll get up nice and close. All right, so the tricky thing is, like, which way does it go in? Like, you can twist it around 100 different ways. So I found it really a little bit challenging to figure out which way it goes. Basically, what I do is I get my thumbs in like that. That's the trick there. So fingers on the bottom, thumbs jammed in there. And what we want is when we're going up like this is kind of what we're trying to achieve. I'll just try and get that right for you so you can see it's a bit tricky. We're trying to get that. You imagine that in there. Can you see that? That's what we're going for. So what we do, I'm making this look harder than it is, so sorry about that. It's really easy once you get it going. Get that shape going, that is the key, and then it's literally you go up and then just sort of like that action. All right, so let me show you. Go up in, and then boom, that's in. And then this one as well, up, and then I'm going that action. See, I'm pointing this part forward. So it needs to go up first, right? It needs to go up and then forward. And that's it. That's in beautifully now. Is that a booger or is that? That's part of it. So there you go. I mean, you can see here just how much it's extending out my nostrils here. And it really does improve nasal breathing. I'm quite sinusy right now. I've got a cold, but this is helping a lot. So yeah, when you want to remove it, you just grab that part there and pull. It's as easy as that. While I've got you here, I may as well show you Mute as well. This is an Aussie company, RhinoMed. This is the trial pack as well, which I like. You get small, medium, and large. So if you've got a big nose, you use the big one. Medium nose, you use the medium one. Little nose like Uncle Nico, use a small one. So I've got this small one here. And with the RhinoMed Mute, similar sort of thing, but you have these little paddles here, and you can extend the paddles or make them smaller, like so. Can you see that? That just pops out. Little section there. I remember which way this going goes in. I'm pretty sure it's like this, and then you just go up into the nose, and then just push. Once it's in, you push this bit forward. That's it. Bob's your uncle. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've used either of these two products and you'd like to share your experience with the world, then drop a comment down below. Until next time, sleep well, look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.
G'day mates, this video is sponsored by SleepHQ. Upload, review and share your detailed CPAP reports with anyone from anywhere. Visit sleephq.com and join our free community today.